Oh, good morning to our cold Thurso. We've just woken up in Thurso, day number 2 of the NC500. We are now gonna go back a little bit to Dunnet Head because we forgot to check out the most northern point of mainland United Kingdom. So we're gonna check that out and then we're gonna end up in Ullapool today. So day number 2, let's roll. Yo, there is a lot of snow up here. It's not even that cold. You're probably looking at like 4 degrees, but I think the snow's just settled. 2-3 days ago it snowed, and it's just not budging. Oh, Dylan's got the goods. He's got the goods. No. You just dropped your fork. Yo. This car's very nice. Well, oi, feeling stuffed right now, not gonna lie. Had 2 pies. Had the venison cranberry and the pork, what was it?
Pork chorizo and manchego pie.
Oh my days. They got voted the #1, I think. Yeah, that one there. Yeah. But yeah, absolutely stuffed. Pastry was so nice. Definitely recommend coming down here. Sun is set. Looks kind of nice outside. But yeah, we got an hour, 50 minutes, or 50 minutes in total to Ullapool, where we got our accommodation, nice hotel, not in a hostel this time, so nice comfortable bed, and it's not gonna be freezing cold like last night. So yeah, gonna hit the road again. It's pitch black. Take us an hour. Okay, a little bit better than a hostel. Woo! Hey buds, because apparently this place is open up late. Yo, someone's having a bath tonight. Yeah, this is a lot better than the hostel we were staying at. It's not cold in here either. Alright, we just got to Argyle Hotel. Gonna pitch here for the night, but it's not even late. I feel like whenever it gets like late, whenever it gets dark, it's like super late. So it's only got like just dark now, and it's about probably like 5:30 or something. So I reckon we're gonna, yeah, just wind down a little bit. It's been a long drive. I just clocked, it's been about 6 hours of driving today. So yeah, it's a bit of a rush, but you know, we're only doing this for a couple of days. So yeah, so we'll get ourselves fixed up, maybe have some dinner later, and maybe even have a beer downstairs, because I see there's a fireplace down there. So yeah, let's get ourselves sorted.